Look at that thing. Custom painted twin axle. I couldn't resist, so kind of sanded down the top tube and resprayed it, sprinkled it. Just gotta wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I can go ahead and put in the stencil and paint Let's Ride, but this time on the forward part instead of the down part. You can kind of see it still, but I think it's gonna turn out way better than before. The only thing is that I don't have the 2K clear coat right now, so I'm just gonna use the same Rust-Oleum clear coat for now, and once I get to paint another bike, I will shoot it with the 2K as well. I don't think this side is gonna get a lot of hits or anything like that, so it should be good to go later on today. I'm gonna pause for a little bit, let it dry, let the sun do its thing, and I will come back and show you the final result. ¡Musazón! ¡Musazona! ¡Qué buenos tus musazotes! And the yellow's one over there. Yes, you're so jealous. Taco. Okay, I got a little bit of update. I got them stenciled in. Just put a little bit of painter's tape. Sprayed it black. And I'm just gonna wait. We're watching Hocus Pocus 1 with my kids, so that way we can watch the second one. We're halfway there, so by the time it's over, come peel this out. Guess I can probably peel this side and this side. Get that out of the way. That way I don't leave any marks on that. And let it dry. Sun is hitting it pretty good, and in about 30-40 minutes I come and peel this out, and hopefully it turns out really well. You know what? I think it's dry enough to peel it out. Looks pretty sharp. Shh, Taco! Gonna take the R thing. And D. And let's ride. Just gonna let it cure over here, and then later on I'll put in the clear coat. But it's looking great. This is the spot where it should have been since the beginning. They're not gonna play right now, Taco. Alright, so it's been curing for a few hours now. Thing looks sick. The only thing that I could not find was more of the clear coat, so I gotta run to Walmart and get some more, but I think I can call this a success. Looks really, really good. So that's it for this one. Let's reach many subscribers and let's ride. Goodbye.